Now, as far as the database maintenance is concerned, we need to make sure that we have a good backup of the database. Now, this backup is going to be something that we're going to conduct through the Microsoft SQL software. Having that backup is critical because all of the inventory data that we collect, as well as everything that we create within the software, is stored there in that database. Now, on top of that, we also want to make sure that the database is being re-indexed on a regular basis. This re-indexing will also allow us to maintain the effective operation of the software as far as the performance and the ability for us to work with a large amount of data. Now, both the backup and the re-indexing occur within the Microsoft SQL console. It's not part of the Ivanti Endpoint Manager tools. Now, with the re-indexing, again, this is something that you want to make sure runs on a regular basis, that we're re-indexing the database, and the recommended time frame is usually once per day, but you can have other time frames as well. But by doing it once per day, then we keep that re-indexing time down to a minimal amount of time. It might take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes for it to run, and we don't have to take anything offline. It can do that re-indexing while the database is still operational. Now, on top of that, we also have our CoreDB util executable that exists on the core server. This executable, first off, is used to actually build out the database. It's used to actually build all of the tables and fields and all of the security that we have there within the database. Now, if I jump over here to my core server, I can drill down into Windows Explorer, and I can get in and see where this CoreDB util is located. Again, I'm going to go down into where the software is installed. That's going to be Program Files, LANDESK, Management Suite. So on the core server, this is the path of where the software gets installed. Again, Program Files, LANDESK, Management Suite. In this particular directory is where we're going to find CoreDB util, which is right there. So there's the utility. And again, when I go in and launch it, we get this particular dialog box. Now again, this is used first off to build out the database that we have. But you can also see this Build Components button. We can use this Build Components button to be able to go in and test the database to make sure that it's still clean and accurate. So again, this is one of the tools here that's going to allow us to effectively maintain our system here.